Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. This will be a much shorter update than the one yesterday, but yeah, some cool stuff. So this morning I had a phone call with Sift. They are a provider for anti-fraud measures. One of the things that I've found with working with different sites where there's potential for user payout or really anything that involves credit cards is that fairly quickly, even if you're not a super large company, you end up being the target for a few different types of fraud, mostly related to either cash out rings or exploiting a bug in the system, or in some cases even money laundering. I've worked with Sift a few times in the past. They're a really great company. It's former Google and Amazon engineers, and they've been really helpful when I've used them in the past. And they're being really great, helping out and trying to get in the ground floor with making sure that we build a safe platform that's not being utilized for nefarious activities. And also just sort of to make sure that we protect the regular users of the platform. We don't want anyone coming in there and exploiting this new system, particularly right out the gate. So that's in motion. We have a signed contract with them, and we'll be integrating by launch. Yeah, that's exciting. On another note, so I've been doing work on that splash page I was talking about and getting just the sort of initial user sign up and login flow. Keycloak provides a lot of that, but there's still some details in tying that up, making sure that gets put together in a clean and seamless way. So moving on that, and then doing some sort of testing to figure out the best way to work with GoKit in an AWS Lambda context. They support it for the GoKit has a transport layer for AWS Lambda, and it looks like it's very similar to any of the other transports. But I have to play with that and just make sure that I can get that all tied up in a really seamless way with the serverless monorepo that I've put together. Actually, I got it from another open source project, but trying to make that a polyglot stack so that it would support Golang. That's my primary language on the back end, just in terms of reducing compute time and personal familiarity and comfort. But we're also going to support Typescript and a few other languages, Python as well. And so yeah, that's pretty much the update on what I'm working on, what I have been working on, and I do have some work to do for a client that I need to make sure that I close out in a good way. So I do have to focus on that a little bit. But other than that, that's the update for today, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks.